Hi there, this is Sean Broderick for UncommonWisdomDaily.com. Over the weekend, we saw India lend its voice to those emerging market countries that are calling for an alternative to the US dollar as the world's reserve currency. A top advisor to Indian Prime Minister Manmohan Singh said he is urging the government to diversify its $264.6 billion foreign exchange reserve and hold fewer dollars. Singh is preparing to join leaders from the Group of 8 industrialized nations. That's the US, Japan, Germany, Britain, France, Italy, Canada, and Russia at a summit in Italy this week, which is supposed to tackle the global economy. China and Brazil will also send representatives to the G8 summit. You'll remember last week, the dollar took a hit following reports that China might ask for a debate of proposals to create a new trans-global reserve currency, and it's going to do that at the G8 meeting. It would surprise me if anything gets done at the G8, but what China, Russia, Brazil, and now India are doing are expressing dissatisfaction with the status quo. They want to change, and the kind of change they're talking about, a new global reserve currency, would kneecap the US dollar. So, where do you want to invest? Well, if the US dollar is heading for a long-term slide, you might want to invest in foreign companies. And since we're talking about Indian companies, let's look at the India Fund. This is a weekly chart, and it looks pretty bullish. You can see the India Fund is testing overhead resistance, which I've marked with a number 1 on the chart. It has bullish momentum, which I've marked number 3 on the bottom of the chart, but it's nearly overbought. Combined with overhead resistance, a pullback wouldn't surprise me. I'd use that pullback to get long. Maybe you'll get lucky and the India Fund will dip below its uptrend, which would be a great buying opportunity. A weakening dollar should boost many things, including foreign stocks, silver, and gold. It's also a big boost for other commodities as well, the kind we play in red-hot commodity ETFs. Stay tuned. This could be a very wild ride for dollar and commodities. This is Sean Broderick for UncommonWisdomDaily.com. You'll find a transcript of this on my blog. Oh, and I'll be traveling next week, so look for me in a new location. The dancing bears won't be behind my head. Thanks a lot, and have a great week.